I know. This some mook ass shit right here. Oh.
Hey, let me do it. I did it last time.
It's not gonna work. Cause that shit has the igniter, you idiot. With the core set.
You're a dumbass. You're supposed to let this gas go.
Big nigga, you gonna rape me or something? Like, you dumb as hell. That shit is not gonna go, dumb nigga.
Why is that the base?
Are you crazy? What is that shit?
Nigga,
I think you did it at the base. Is it going?
Nigga, fuck yeah! Ah! Fuck that shit. That shit is crazy.
Together with grass, wait.
Oh shit. Hey. Close up. No homo.
That's just the way I want to do it to you. You're like, oh shit.
That shit was crazy as hell. No, chill out, dude. That shit going or what? Yo.
But don't throw it like that.
See, you kill it,
You make it go away.
You're a dumb nigga, dude. Don't throw my way. Holy shit! Dang. Well, that's pretty cool. Damn, son. It looks like I skeeted on this shit. It looks like a penis, no homo. Tell me, alright. This shit's like the ball. Oh, fuck.